when my party first came to government, the country didn't have a bob. The IMF were in town. We were having to ask foreign governments nearly what could actually happen with Irish budgets. We then obviously had Brexit defending our national interests. We then had the COVID pandemic, which shut down the construction sector. We are now at a point where we have a plan that is delivering more homes than we've seen in very many years. And crucially, my party has now published a €40 billion plan to see 303,000 new homes delivered out to 2030. There is a debate in this election, though. Some parties will pull the supports from under first-time buyers. We're actually saying we're going to keep the Help to Buy, keep the First Home Scheme. We're tweaking it to help people be able to buy a second-hand home because we've been listening to people. We will build a very significant number of homes. We now have a public agency, the Land Development Agency, building public homes on public lands. I can say to the Irish people, we are now at the point where with the money and the plan, and we're going to get on with it. My party's detailed how we'd like to see a breakdown of the 303,000 homes, 75,000 social, 58,000 affordable and cost rental, and the rest private. We've both outlined what we want to do with the different schemes as well. We've worked well as a government of three parties. I'm not going to pretend we haven't. I'm very proud of some of the progress we've made together. But of course, an election is about housing, but it's also about other issues. My party's been putting out plans on childcare, on cost of living, on health, on how we're going to help small businesses and farming, law and order, migration. And I think people will vote in the round on a variety of issues. And I'm always conscious in Ireland there's 43 individual elections as well in each of our constituencies. But I take nothing for granted in this election. There's too much going on of people saying, I'd like that department, or I'd like that department, or I'd like to go first, or I'd like to... This isn't about any politician. It's about the people of Ireland. And I think the election needs to be approached with that sort of humility.